Hello everybody, today I will be showing you how to delete card controls and install our new CardNav app. Please note that I will be installing this from an iPhone, so we'll be using the App Store. The first thing that we want to do is hold the app card controls with our finger and then click Remove App. Once we do that, we'll get the pop-up Remove Card Controls and we will say Delete App. It'll ask us to confirm. We'll go ahead and say delete, and then what we need to do is we need to go to the App Store, so we'll search App Store and click on that, and then we'll search for Emery CardNav, all one word, CardNav. We'll go ahead and click on it, then we'll click Get, and we'll wait for it to download. We'll double click to install it and then just continue waiting for it to download. And then we can open it from here, and there you go. We have CardNav now instead of card controls. And you'll want to do this if you were using our previous app. Thank you all. Have a great day.